Back at you again. Working on the 66 Impala, American Auto Wire. We got our lights hooked up. Run it to the light switch right here. The on and off. We got our ignition hooked up. The new key. Yeah. Accessories off. Key come on. Key come in. That wire right there is for the heater. And we got our wires all organized. We got our blinker. It goes to the column. Safety neutral. We got the wires running all the way to the back. That's the part number right there. American Auto Wire. Yes, sir. Getting it together. And also we got our fuses in there. That's the fuse box. Update fuse. Got the flashers in there. It's looking good. Coming along. And also the guy came and put the new drip rail. And he installed these quarter glasses. Looking splendid. Over and out.